Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is ordering of decimals. Now in the last video we learned how to compare decimals. Now let's take it one step further, that is arranging decimals in the right order. So let's jump in. See, in the introduction I have written a couple of sentences. Now please remember, comparing means finding out which number is greater. Now we know it. We have studied it and we have learned it. Okay. Now today we'll study ordering. Ordering means arranging all the decimals properly in either in an ascending order or in a descending order. Okay. So what is ascending? What is descending? We'll see. Now let's have a recap, right? Now in the previous lecture we have seen, say for example, we will take 3 decimal, 2.3, 2.35 and let's say 2.301. In the last class we have learned how to actually compare these decimal numbers. So in order to do that, what we have learned, in order to do that, we actually converted this unlike decimals into like decimals. Now once we have converted them, for example, let's say 2.3 will become 2.300, 2.35 will become 2.350 and obviously 2.301 will remain as 2.301. Now why? Because after the decimal there are 3 digits here, so we have to make all the other decimals after the decimal into 3 digits to make it like decimals. So we have converted them. And by judging, see, first of all you need to compare the whole numbers first. So whole number part, say this one and this one, these are same. Now once they are same, obviously after the decimal look for the 10th digits, they are same. Now look for the 100th digit, hundreds digits. Now this is 0, this is 5 and this is 1. So 5 is greater than 0 and 0, so this one will be the greatest of these 3 decimals. Now we have learned that in the previous lecture. Now let's come to this one, ascending order. Like, so we will take an example. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So we'll arrange 3.1, 3.05 and 3.125 from smallest to greatest. Now what will be the step 1? Student, please remember, the step 1 will be convert this into like decimals. Always step 1, convert this into like decimals. Now after conversion, so it will become 3.100, 3.050 and obviously 3.125 will remain as 3.125. Now first, always remember, you need to compare the whole number part first. If they are same, then start comparing the digits after the decimal from left to right, So from 10th, 100, thousands and so on. So you see in these 3 decimals, the left hand side means the whole number part before the decimals are all same. So we need to compare what? We need to compare the 10th digits after the decimal. So this is 1. So this is 0 and this is 1. Got it? Now there's 100. So this one is 0, this one is 5 and this one is 2. So out of these 3, can you tell me which one is the highest? Now you got it? So this is 10, this is 05, this is 12. So this one will be the highest. Got it? And obviously, see, so between these 2, so this one will be the highest. It is evident. Why? Because 1, this is 1, this is after comparing 0 and 2, 2 will be the highest. Obviously this is not the highest. Why? Because here is 0. So we need to compare between this and this. So this one will be the highest. So we got the highest. Now let's compare this one and this one. So this is 1, but this is 0. Obviously this one will be the second highest and this one will be third highest. but we need to arrange them. So this is the highest, this is the second highest, this is the third highest. So this one will be the lowest, this one will be the second lowest, and this one will be the third lowest. Means this one is the lowest, then this is the highest, and then this is the highest. Okay, so let's arrange them in this way. Okay, so 3.05 is less than 3.1 is less than 3.125. Got it? Understood? If you have any issues, let me know. Okay, and descending order, let's come to the descending order. It's just the opposite of what we have learned. Say we have taken an example, arrange the decimals in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So we have taken 3 decimal numbers. So the first step would be the same. First step would be same. So this is step 2. So step 1 would be convert them into like decimals. So after conversion of these 3 into like decimals, it becomes 4.250. This becomes 4.300, and this one remains as 4.125. Now compare, see the whole number part is same. Now start comparing from the 10th. This is 2, this is 3, this is 1. So evidently you don't need to go for the other comparison. Why? Because this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So it is quite evident. So this is the greatest. Then comes 2. So this one is the second one. Then comes 1. This is the third one. So you need to write in this way. In step 2, you need to write in this way. This 4.3 is greater than 4.25 is greater than 4.125. Okay, students, so this is the symbol of lesser than, and this is the greater than symbol. Okay, so this is in a nutshell, in a very shorter version of ordering and decimals. I hope you have followed my lecture today. So if you have any question, let me know. And thanks for watching. We'll soon meet in the next class. Bye bye.